You are not in the universe, you are the universe, an intrinsic part of it. Ultimately, you're not a person but a focal point where the universe is becoming conscious of itself. Eckhart Tolle. 90% of our body mass is in fact stardust. One of the most fascinating discoveries that quantum physics states is that the universe is best seen as constructed from thoughts and ideas rather than from matter. On a deeper level, our consciousness is constantly creating the universe. Everything in the universe consists of waves of information. For us, thought is where it all begins. As your conscious mind dwells habitually on thoughts of a certain quality, these become firmly embedded within the subconscious mind. They become the dominant vibration. This dominant vibration sets up a resonance with other similar vibrations and draws them into your life. This is easier to understand if you consider that from the metaphysical view, the whole universe is mind or consciousness. In turn, your vibrations affect everything around you. Your environment, the people and animals around you, the inanimate objects, even the seemingly empty space, and they in turn affect you. Your feeling at the present moment dictates your vibration. It is said that feeling is a word to define conscious awareness of vibration. Positive feelings, positive circumstances. Negative feelings, negative circumstances. Bob Proctor. The beliefs about who one is and what is real are a direct cause of oneself and of one's own realities. We all observe our own reality differently within the limits of our belief system and preferences. Everyone creates his or her own reality based on their thoughts and beliefs. You can create anything you can imagine. Our life reflects our thoughts. In order to change our lives, we must change our thoughts. We are all connected. One of the strangest and most important consequences of quantum mechanics is the idea of entanglement. When two quantum particles interact in the right way, their states will depend on one another, no matter how far apart they are. You can hold one particle in Miami and send the other one to Paris and measure them simultaneously. And the outcome of the measurement in Miami will absolutely and unequivocally determine the outcome of the measurement in Paris, and vice versa. The significance of this information is for us to wake up and to realize that we are all energy, radiating our own unique energy signatures. We are all interconnected with one another. The world around us is the mirror that reflects ourselves. Our reality is based on what we believe in. The universe is the ocean of pure potentials. Simply what you think is what you attract. Your thoughts are inseparably connected to the rest of the universe. Like attracts like. As you choose good thoughts, the good thoughts of a like nature will follow, and you will also be in vibrational harmony with others with like thoughts. The observer effect is the fact that simply observing a situation or phenomenon necessarily changes that phenomenon. By observing the object, we're changing its characteristics. When a quantum observer is watching quantum mechanics, states that particles can also behave as waves. When behaving as waves, they can simultaneously pass through several openings in a barrier and then meet again at the other side of the barrier. This meeting is known as interference. Strange as it may sound, interference can only occur when no one is watching. Once an observer begins to watch the particles going through the openings, the picture changes dramatically. If a particle can be going through one opening, then it's clear it didn't go through another. In other words, when under observation, electrons are being forced to behave like particles and not like waves. Thus, the mere act of observation affects the experimental findings. Observation carries a direct impact on the world around us. So remember, everything is energy and we are all connected. Everything exists in endless possibilities and variations. You create your own reality based on your thoughts and beliefs. You can create anything you can imagine. In order to change our lives, we must change our thoughts and be mindful of our emotions.